Today I'm going to show you one of the apps that I like the most on the iPad, and that is Tellagami. It is an app that creates an animation for yourself that can share instructions or a question with your students. It's a fun app. It's an app that is easy to create and it is free to use. So if you just go to the App Store and search Tellagami, you can find the free version of this. I'm going to take you through kind of the steps and how you can create one, and then how can you use it inside your classroom. So first, they're called gamies. That is the word of the creator. When you create one of these in Tellagami, you create a gammy. How to get started? There's three things. You need to customize a character, change its mood, choose a setting. Pretty easy. The thing I like about setting is you can put your character inside your classroom, inside the lunchroom, outside, wherever you would like it. You can do that because you can take a picture of the setting and put it in. So I'll show you that as well once we get to it. You can adjust your character by moving him side to side. You can make him taller, you can make him small. You can rotate the character by swiping around. So just by swiping around, as you see, I can rotate him. You can record your voice or type a dialogue, and then you can share it. Again, if you've earned your QR code badge or know what a QR code is, you can share this. It will become a link. You can put it in a QR code. Your students scan the QR code, and the Tellagami comes to life and shares your information you'd like your students to know. So first, let's start with character. You can have a man or a woman. You can change the tone color. Eye color you can change. You can have medium head, big head, even bigger head, or little. Hair, you get one option of hairstyle, but you get several hair colors. The other ones all cost. This is their way of making money inside the app. T-shirts, same deal. Jacket, you can change your jacket color, but you only get one option of it. Then your emotions, happy, sad, scared, or surprised, angry, scared, silly. So I'm going to go happy. And then my background. I can put him in a dining room like this. If I click on the free, I get all kinds of options. I can make him be a comic, put him in an office. Those are all great, easy to do. But the real cool thing is when you can put him, for example, right there. So he now is standing on my desk, and I can move my picture however I'd like. And if I go back to the character, once we get done customizing him, go back, background, done. And we can move him wherever we would like. We can share it, but before we share it, if we go back, that's when we can make him bigger. Maybe I want him over here. And he can share a message. So if we go in there, we can write text. Each one of these have a different voice.
My name is David. Hello, my name is Peter.
I can now go into the ABC type and I can type a message. For example, I already have my message here, so I press done. It is loading my message, and I will be able to preview it here shortly once my preview button pops up. We'll let that load a little bit longer. It's a long message, so the longer your message, the more it takes time to pop up the screen and what you loaded. After that would load, it's taking a little more time than need be. You can preview it, you can send it to Twitter, you can send it to your email, you can send it to Facebook. I recommend sending it to your email because it will send a link to your email. That's where you then can take that link and add it to a QR code for your students to scan, and then your instructions or your message pops up. The best use of this app is if you have stations in your classroom. Instead of giving instructions for every station before students start, you could create the instructions, have students scan the QR code, and the instructions would be read to them through the animation. So it's uploading. Now you type in your email, and as you see, it says, here you go, your Gami's on, and there's the link for your Gami. That's Tellagami. It is a free app on the App Store. It's a lot of fun to use. It's a great way to share information with your students in a station work area, or even just to give instructions for the day. Hopefully you enjoy. Hopefully you can find use in your classroom with this application, and we'll see you next time.